After my cross drilling failure in the previous video, I was rather disappointed. I think the problem was with the set screw holes, so I immediately started making a new holder, because I do need a cross drilling attachment for my upcoming projects. This turned into a bit of a struggle. Fly cutting this took forever, and during the reaming operation my frequency drive died with a flash and a bang, followed by some total darkness. It's probably the result of the fact that I disconnected the cooling fan, although I did do similar jobs without any problems during the summer, when it was at least 20 degrees warmer in here. So you may have already heard the 30-year-old Allen Bradley frequency drive. It is making a comeback. It's kinda ironic that I disconnected the fan to get rid of the noise it makes, only to end up with this horrible sound again. I guess that's life. But let's find out if I have a bit more luck with my cross drilling attachment 2.0. As you can see, I had to make this out of round stock, as I had no other suitable material. The biggest disadvantage of this round stock is that the drill chuck no longer fits underneath the tool post clamp. That's better. The 16mm hole is a lot tighter this time. There's hardly any play, just a little space for some oil. And it feels really smooth. I ground down the middle part here with the Dremel to get some oil clearance, and this way the arbor is only bearing on the front and the rear of the holder. And I also polished the front and back bearing surfaces with some very fine sandpaper. I've put in a small oil hole that's no longer visible. I believe I drilled it with a 2.5mm drill, and then enlarged the hole to make a little oil reservoir. There's still some oil in there that I put in yesterday evening. I think that's a good sign of tight tolerances. But once the drill starts turning, it's probably gone in a few seconds. Anyway, that's enough talking. Let's drill a hole. Oh, well, that proves it. I'm an idiot. I guess I wasted some more time. I should have waited for those bearings I ordered. I don't know how well this shows up on camera, but it looks like it got stuck over here, and then that was the result of me hammering it out. To be honest, not that much damage. It will probably polish out for my next attempt. I must say this pisses me off a bit, because I won't be able to continue my other projects. I guess I will have to come up with something else to do for my next video. Anyway, I'm out of here. Now you guys can watch some pictures from last year while I do my New Year speech. This was recorded for last week's video, but it didn't make the cut, as I want to make shorter videos again. Since it is the start of the new year, I thought it would be appropriate to give you guys a little update about my plans for this channel in the new year. First off, not much will change. I'm not introducing a hot, sexy assistant for some likable clickbait, or an amazing high-tech CNC robot machine with 22 axes and 9 arms. So basically everything will be more or less the same as it has ever been. The biggest change has already happened at the end of 2018. I switched on the advertising faucet, and hopefully many advertising dollars will flow into my direction in 2019, so that somewhere along the way I can buy a little milling machine. I've looked at the advertising numbers so far, and I think it will be possible to complete my mini milling machine mission by the end of 2019. Luckily, money has traditionally been a good motivator. So expect more videos, and expect them on a fixed day of the week. But also expect this to change, as I expect I will not be able to work according to a strict schedule. But I'm going to try. Because according to the experts, feeding you guys lots of content at a regular interval is very important on the road to YouTube stardom. That and making silly, stupid, wide-eyed faces on video thumbnails, preferably while wearing a bikini or tight yoga pants. But trust me, I won't lower myself to those standards. I haven't decided on what day of the week I will be uploading. Maybe I never will. But I'm leaning towards Thursdays. Let's see, there are a few things I like to accomplish this year. Like finally start working on that old Oscar Ehrlich lathe that has been occupying my workbench for almost 3 years now. I also still have to finish the stand I'm building for my Chinese lathe. That's probably something for the summer, as it involves some nasty paintwork. And at some point I would like to do some wood turning again, preferably before I completely forget how that's done. One more thing, I've decided I like the new community tab on the channel's homepage. So from time to time I'll be posting updates and pictures there. I've always liked making pictures. I've done that long before I started YouTubing. And so far I've been posting them on Google Photos. But since no one looks at Google Photos, I might as well start using the community tab for this. For most of you guys it's probably not very interesting, but over time it should add up to a nice compilation of things I've been up to. It's just too bad you cannot expand the photos. Anyway, that's all I had to say, I guess. Oh, and a Happy New Year.